Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss about the preterm labor suppression or the treatment of the preterm labor. So first of all we will discuss the mnemonic to make it easy. So first is the mnemonic is the pasta. So first is the P for the pain reliever, because in the preterm labor there is severe pain. So to relieve the pain, it is the first suppression or the first treatment step. Second is the A for the antibiotics to prevent the infections like the chorioamnionitis, the inflammation of the chorion and the amnion. It can occur in the preterm labor. So next is the S for the steroid therapy. It can give to the mother because preterm labor leads to the lung maturity. For the lung maturity, steroid therapy is given. So next is the T for the tocolytics, because to prevent the uterine contractions, tocolytics are given in the preterm labor. And the last is the A for the after finding the cause, treat the cause of the patient. If the preterm labor occurring, there is behind a cause, so we will treat this cause. So this is all about the preterm labor suppression or the treatment. The mnemonic is PASTA. So I hope you have liked this video, and this is very easy for you to remember. So if you have liked it, please share it to your friends. If you have any question, you can comment below. You can subscribe our channel for more mnemonic videos. You can also check out our other videos. You can join our Facebook, Instagram, Telegram pages. All the links are given in the description. Thanks for watching.